baby.
Look at those cheeks.
I know.
Oh, I just want to kiss him.
She was 8 pounds and 1 ounce and 20.5 inches long. Oh, and her birthday is February 15th. Here we go, we're going home. He's so excited. Babe.
I'm sorry, I'm driving,
It's
sweetie.
okay.
I'm focused right now.
Okay, Dad, take 2. Are you ready to take this baby girl home?
Yeah, I'm freaking nervous right now.
You got this.
I'm not even going over 20 miles per hour anywhere. Okay, here we go.
Turning.
Turning left.
Diesel! Hi, baby! Mama. Just walks right by me. Hi! He says, nope, I'm gonna destroy this one first.
Wake her up. Wake her up.
What do you think? Gentle. Diesel. What is up, guys? We're home from the hospital.
We are.
Finally. I felt like we were like there forever.
Yeah, basically.
We did end up we had to stay longer than anticipated just because of
Just one day.
yeah,
but
just
it felt
because
like
of
forever.
yeah, blood work that we had to wait on for Louie and just all kinds of stuff. So but we're finally home.
Baby's good.
Baby's good. Mom's good.
They were just checking some stuff. They had to, test was running out and everything, so they had to make sure everything was good before giving us the okay.
Yeah, so basically it was just that my water had broke before we went to the hospital, and so because my water was broke for so long, they were worried about infection setting in. I had a fever while I was in labor, and so they just were running blood work to check for her, but everything's good. We're all good to go. We're gonna go see the pediatrician tomorrow. We had to schedule her a hearing test because the one that they do at the hospital was kind of inconclusive on one of her ears, but we'll do a whole video updating all of you guys on that. But yeah, so we're home and we're happy, and little Louie is finally here. Mama is no longer pregnant.
Diesel is out of his cage.
Yeah. He was less interested than I thought, when we got home. But that's
He
okay.
was just more happy to see us, and we got him toys, so we gave him those.
Yeah.
So he was more interested in those.
Yeah.
He already tore up the panda.
Yeah.
Wasn't even in the house for a total
right.
of 5 minutes, and it was already shredded.
Yeah. Here, I'll take it.
Okay.
Alrighty. So we just want to say thank you so much for being on this journey with us.
Yeah.
It's been a blast. It's been a wild ride for sure. We're so happy to be home. We're so happy to finally have little Louie here with us. She's so precious. She has all perfect features.
Diesel's wanting to play.
Yeah, he is. So we're gonna play with him.
It's mine. This is mine. Yes, it is. Yeah, mine. Mine.